So check this out, y'all. Got some brown gravy and mashed potatoes. These are Idahoan baby red potatoes. And some Southeastern Hills classic brown gravy mix here. It was $2.19 a package, so it's well worth it. It's really good. It's manufactured in Rome, Georgia. And it's made by this company right here. I'm about to have a mouthful here. Check this.
I think it's a Fairway brand. It's really good though.
I know my camera is not the greatest on my phone here, but Rome, Georgia, it's a SouthEastern Mills Inc. It's sold at the Fairway brand stores.
Yeah.
Very good stuff, y'all. I give this a high 5 rating all day long, every day. And the potatoes, of course, Idahoan baby reds are bomb. Another 5 also. Check out our playlist for many more like this. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all later. Bye-bye.